The Asus Expertbook B9 is a premium thin and light business laptop designed to meet the demands of modern professionals. With a sleek and minimalist design, powerful performance features, and long-lasting battery life, it aims to enhance productivity and efficiency for users across various industries. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll delve into its key features, performance capabilities, and overall value proposition. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this laptop from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. The Asus Expertbook B9 impresses with its ultra-slim and lightweight design, making it ideal for professionals who are constantly on the move. The magnesium lithium alloy chassis not only provides durability but also adds to its premium look and feel. With a 14-inch Full HD display, users can enjoy crisp and vibrant visuals for both work and multimedia consumption. Equipped with an Intel Core i7 11th Gen CPU and a generous 32GB of LPDDR4X RAM, the Expertbook B9 delivers exceptional performance for demanding tasks such as multitasking, data analysis, and content creation. The inclusion of a massive 2TB SSD ensures ample storage space for files, documents, and applications while also offering lightning-fast read and write speeds. The Asus Expertbook B9 comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Pro, offering enhanced security features, remote desktop capabilities, and compatibility with a wide range of business applications. Users can take advantage of productivity tools such as Microsoft Office Suite and Adobe Creative Cloud to streamline their workflow and accomplish tasks with ease. One of the standout features of the Expertbook B9 is its impressive battery life, boasting up to 17 hours of usage on a single charge. This extended battery life ensures that users can stay productive throughout the day even without access to a power outlet. Whether attending meetings, traveling, or working remotely, the Expertbook B9 provides peace of mind with its long-lasting battery performance. Despite its slim profile, the Expertbook B9 offers a comprehensive selection of ports for seamless connectivity. Users can enjoy the convenience of Thunderbolt 4 ports for fast data transfer and external display connectivity, along with USB-A and HDMI ports for additional peripherals and accessories. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 ensures reliable wireless connectivity for remote work and video conferencing. Overall, the Asus Expertbook B9 stands out as a top choice for professionals seeking a powerful and portable business laptop. With its premium design, robust performance features, and exceptional battery life, it provides the perfect blend of style, functionality, and reliability for today's dynamic work environment. Whether you're a business executive, entrepreneur, or creative professional, the Expertbook B9 is sure to elevate your productivity and enhance your workflow.